Whoop, it's broken now. It just doesn't stay on at all. I'm going to be working on the lid console. Apparently that's a very common thing on these vehicles, breaking. There's a culprit right there. As you can see, this lid, whoop, it's broken now. It just doesn't stay on at all. So what I did was I got a new one from Amazon. Nothing like the old ejecto lid feature in your old truck. There's the new lid. Let's see if it matches the color. Not that I really care, but yeah, it's pretty close. This box comes with new springs, which is nice, a new rod, and a new bracket. Also, there used to be foam on here apparently. This replacement one has foam on it. In order to access the existing bracket, well, you see the springs there, you see the rod here, we have to take all that out. We have to actually take this part off, and it just unsnaps. You see the bracket right there, and it's held in by some plastic clips. So we've got to make sure the orientation of this matches that when putting it on the new lid. So we'll take this off. Hopefully I don't break this. It's brand spanking new. There we go. This has the little cutout facing this way, so there's only one way this can go in, or should go in. The plastic clips, one's short, one's long, so you put the short one in first, snap that down. Pretty simple. This rod has a smooth end on one side and a knurled end on the other, and it's supposed to go like this. So we're gonna have to drive this rod out that way. Then you come over to this side, you use your pliers or vice grips and pull it out. So, pretty simple. Okay, and in order for this to work, you have to put the spring clip from this slot to this slot, like that, turn it around, and there's actually a hole that the other side of the spring goes in over there. Same thing, the hole down here to hold the one end of the spring, and then these two slots to put the spring up into. There is a curved end, so the curved end goes up. And then it's just a matter of lining up the new rod into the hinge. What you want to make sure of is see where the bend is in that one part of the spring. Make sure the bends are inside those two slots. You got to hold the spring, drive that rod in with a hammer. That knurled end, you want it to go through so it holds the rod from coming back out. So there's that end, there's that end. Then we simply put this plastic part back on there, okay? And it just snaps into place. There you go. Should work fine. Hope that helps you. Now it's going to be a lot easier for me when I'm driving around. I got my arm on there without, falling into the doggone lid because it just wasn't flat. So anyway, hope that helps. If you have any questions or comments or criticisms, put them in the comments box below. Until next time, you have a great rest of your day.